Save time and money, the ultimate guide for efficient living. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nuances of the English language and make learning an enjoyable journey for you. Today, we're unraveling a phrase that's not just common in English, but a principle many aspire to live by: save time and money. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also offer you insights into a key cultural value. Save time and money is a phrase that encourages efficiency and frugality. To save time means to use one's time in a way that maximizes productivity and minimizes waste. Similarly, to save money means to avoid unnecessary expenses, allowing for financial resources to be used more wisely or kept for future use. When combined, this phrase champions the idea of living a life that is both economically and temporally prudent. Let's bring this concept to life with some practical examples. Bulk buying. Purchasing items in bulk can save you both time and money. It reduces the number of trips to the store and often comes with a price discount. Meal prepping. Preparing meals for the week in advance can cut down on cooking time and reduce the temptation to eat out, saving money. Using public transport. In many cities, opting for public transport over driving can save you both parking fees and the time spent in traffic. These examples show how the principle of saving time and money can be applied in various aspects of daily life. Understanding and applying the principle of save time and money can lead to a more disciplined and fulfilling life. It's not just about being frugal or efficient. It's about valuing your resources and making conscious decisions on how to best utilize them. This mindset can lead to greater financial freedom, more personal time, and ultimately, a higher quality of life. To truly embrace this principle, consider these tips. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve with your time and money. Setting goals helps to prioritize and avoid wasteful spending. Plan ahead. Whether it's a shopping list or a weekly schedule, planning ahead is key to avoiding last-minute decisions that often lead to overspending and wasted time. Embrace technology. Use apps and online services that help track your spending and manage your time effectively. We hope this exploration of save time and money inspires you to look at your daily habits through a new lens. Remember, it's not about cutting corners or living sparingly, but about making smart decisions that enhance your life's quality. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language and culture. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.